mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte.
Welcome to Bosque of Chapultepec. It is currently 58 degrees on the 1st of November. Beautiful day to walk around the park. Now this park is one of the oldest urban parks in the world. It includes a zoo, lake, amusement park, botanical gardens, museums, and a castle. In the Aztec times, rulers used this area as a retreat location.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando, yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
Now when you come to Chapultepec Park, make sure you do it in a couple days because there's a lot to see here. 2 days at most, maybe a third. You know, walk in the park and see the museums, and then you do the zoo and more walking around, stuff you've missed. But it does take at least 2 days. Let's giddy up.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción.
Ya no pueden, si corremos. Ya no corren, si corremos. Ya no gritan, si gritamos.
Ay, ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
Amazing. It's the 1st of November and the roses are still in bloom. So when you love nature so much, you hug a tree. So let's give it a try. Never mind. That's a utility pole.
Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
So this right in here was a holding area. They have aqueducts up high throughout this area, and this would have been a little lake area here where it would hold water for usage. So this is part of the aqueduct system. You can see it's up high, feeds the water down. And like I mentioned, in history, they used to have that water coming in as the main water source. Now those performers, they were depicting cadets of the Mexican army, and evidently in this area, you know, over by the castle of Chapultepec, they used to have a cadet training facility. And when the Mexican-American War was going on, there were 4 Mexican cadets that leaped from the castle to their death. And as those performers come down on the rope, rotating, they're depicting that. Getting hungry. Let's find something to eat. So beyond the street vendors, you also have this restaurant area, outdoor eating. So here in Chapultepec Park, you can rent a boat, go out on the little pond that they have there. Looks like the most expensive is a 5-person canopy for 180 pesos. That'd work out to be about $9. And that would be 1 hour. ain't gonna happen. I ain't going in that one. I never get out. So entrance into the park is for free, but if you want to use a bathroom, it does cost $5 to use the bathroom. Now converted to US dollars, that's 25 cents. So as you walk through the park, you've got numerous street vendors where you can buy all kinds of stuff. In fact, you can buy yourself a Lucha Libre mask. As mentioned, Bosque de Chapultepec also has a castle, a zoo, and museums.
However, those will be in their own upcoming videos.
Fuerte.